Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Red Magic 10 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. When you have the same problem as mine, you can download your game because it isn't visible. Go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. You need to choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have PG3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on Allow are included, underrated, confirm recorded and save. We can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, bye!